to mend your broken heart. It seems to me that you're starting from the start. Nothing much that I can do to make you realize our world is rough, gives so many lies. I'm not surprised in the way you throw a smile. Your body's around, but your mind's 1,000 miles. You're wasting time to think that you're alright. The memories before are holding you so tight, holding you so tight. Here I am with you, wishing for a moment, just for a moment that spent for both of us. Here I am, asking for a moment, begging for a moment to keep our world together. Do you need someone to talk your troubles with? You choke too much, you could hardly breathe. Nothing much